Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hi kids and parents. In today's video, we will learn action verbs. Let's get started. Run, run. Running is an action verb. Jump, jump. Jumping is an action verb. Climb, climb. Climbing is an action verb. Swim, swim. Swimming is an action verb. Ride, ride. Writing is an action verb. Read, read. Reading is an action verb. Build, build. Building is an action verb. Break, break. Breaking is an action verb. Drive, drive. Driving is an action verb. Fly, fly. Flying is an action verb. Catch, catch. Catching is an action verb. Throw, throw. Throwing is an action verb. Lift, lift. Lifting is an action verb. Carry, carry. Carrying is an action verb. Punch, punch. Punching is an action verb. Paint, paint. Painting is an action verb. Cook, cook. Cooking is an action verb. Clean, clean. Cleaning is an action verb. Cut, cut. Cutting is an action verb. Open, open. Opening is an action verb. Study, study. Studying is an action verb. Teach, teach. Teaching is an action verb. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.